South Africa's premium automotive filter brand, offers an extensive range of OEM quality parts that are backed by a comprehensive warranty. It is no wonder that GUD filters are the #1 choice for great engine protection. GUD filter kits are available individually or in a kit, a perfect option for mechanics, workshops, or DIYers carrying out a major service. All the filter kits needed for the service are conveniently packaged in one box, making the kits a one-stop filtration solution. With the application clearly indicated on the packaging, our filter kits take the guesswork out of selecting the right filters for a vehicle. This kit, FK18, contains all the filters needed to service a Polo Vivo. Our filter kits include air, oil, fuel, and cabin air filters. GUD has a kit for a host of vehicles, but if you are not sure which to get, visit www.gud.co.za to make use of the GUD filter finder. All you need to do is input a few pieces of information and the filter finder will sift through a comprehensive online catalog to find the part or kit you will need.